Hello everyone, welcome to Sam's Vlogs again. Today is the 25th of August 2023, and for today's video I have to do a change oil on my 2019 Honda Pilot right here. Okay, tools that we need. I got this chrome vanadium from Fright Harbor Tools, size 17. There you go. A long funnel because it's too deep right there, as you can see, where you could put the oil on it. Okay, and just a couple of towels. That's it. That's all we did. And also I was thinking not to take it off the not taking off the oil filter today, because for some reason I just don't want to do it. That's it. What I do is interval. I would do it next time, and then for the next oil change again I'm not gonna take it off again. So it's like 2 oil changes before I change the oil filter. That's all. Because as you can see, when you take a look at the oil filter, guys, it's still very good. So I don't see any problem not to put it back on, you know. So yeah, so I changed the last time, but this time I'm changing the oil again, but not the oil filter. Okay, just to let you know. But it's easy. Next time that I do the oil change, I would do the whole thing so you guys can see. So anyway, the oil filter is just right here behind this front passenger wheels. Okay, so yeah, so that's where it's at. All right, so oil that I'm using, guys, I got Lucas here, which is it's the oil additive, and I bought this one since it's too expensive now. I bought a Supertech 10,000 miles. This is their high mileage full synthetic SA5W20. Since my car is kind of old now, I want to put a little thicker oil on it. It's supposed to be 0W20, but I'm putting 5W20 now. Alright, and plus, guys, it's how would you say it, weather is getting hotter now. It's getting summer, so let me try to put this on. Okay, and it's not that so expensive. This is like $4.98 each, and I got 5 of them right there. 1 2 3 4 5, and that's all it. That's all we need. Oh, we're going back to the tools, just to let you know. Again, tools I used is that long funnel right there, 17 open and close wrench, a creeper, and of course I got that oil panel, oil pan in there. That's it. All right, so I'm trying to drain it right now, right there. Let's take a look at it again. I guess it's just dripping now. If it's just dripping like that, guys, we can put the drain plug now and probably pour some new oil now on the very top. All right, so let's do it. So there, guys, as you can see, it's just dripping right now. So that's a good sign that all the oil's probably been drained, most of the oil of it. Okay, so as you guys see here, no chokes or anything, but it's okay. I put the other wheels on the rump, just like that. It's on the rump, so I didn't use any jack or anything else. So it's a quick and easy oil change. That's what I do. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the drain plug in, back in here. Let's wash it, like wipe it a little bit like that, the drain, and let's put this in. just like that. Yeah, there you go. That's good. Let's pull this out. That container right there. Let's keep pulling this whole thing out. Alright. So to avoid spill, guys, you can use any rags or anything like this, so it won't get much of the oil in there, you know. I'm gonna wipe that out a little bit later. There's still a spill in there. Alright, so just like that. Then let's go ahead, come back up here. What I do right there, I put the additive first, interval, just like that. Okay. Alright, so let's put it interval. I put a little bit of this Lucas oil additive right there, just like that. Not much right there. And then let's stop from there. Let me put another conventional oil that I used, which is this one, guys, the Super Tech. I bought this from Walmart again, guys. Compared to other conventional oil, it costs like, in Walmart too, I seen the price, I compared it, it was like almost 10 bucks, 9 something. So it's very expensive for 1 quart. So I bought 5 quarts of this. As you can see, the oil, guys, it's not that bad actually. Right here, as you can see, it's nice and clear oil so far, so I don't see any problem. Why not? We're using this instead of, sorry about that noise, because I was just in along the street, guys. As I said, instead of using the other conventional oil like Mobil 1 or anything that's so expensive, why won't you just use this, you know? I'm not trying to degrade some other brands, but, or not trying to humiliate some other brands, but I'm just trying this Super Tech conventional oil that I bought from Walmart. Walmart baka naman. Yeah. So again, guys, let me just cut the video here for, you know, so you guys won't get bored watching it. let me see, I just try to do it as much as I can, you know. Let me get the other two. Here we go. Other two. Alright, let's open one more up. Let's make it a little faster here. So in fact, it's getting hard, getting dark now. Alright, so that's two. And then let's put a little bit more of the additives right there. There you go, guys. 3, 4, 5. That's good. That's good right there. So by the way, guys, I use this for at least 5 oil changes, and this is a gallon if I'm not mistaken. 128 flows ounce. Yeah, 1 gallon. It's a 1 gallon one. So I use that for 3 oil changes now. So I need 2 more oil changes, then it will be done, and then I'll buy another gallon. Yeah, so maybe that's another quart, or a little bit, almost a quart that I put it in here. Plus 5 quarts of this. So let's see. I might put at least 4.5 of this, and then I'll put the car on a level surface, and let me check the oil after that. Make sure I got the right amount of oil, you know. That's the way how I do it, the old school way. So this is the fourth, then I have another one. I just put maybe a little half of it, then if ever it needs more, I just gonna add up, just like that. Alright, so just half of this, and that's it, guys. There is an indicator line right here where you can see how much I put. So it's almost 500 right there, a little bit more. There you go, that's 500 ml already. 500 ml. Now I got the dipstick here. There we go. Yeah, okay, so look at that, guys. It's like almost on the mark, but of course the car is tilted like this, so we cannot really measure the correct level of the oil that we put on. So anything that you guys could ask about it, try to ask me. I'm not a professional, but you know, I'm just doing this for fun, and you know, we'll see from there how's the Super Tech goes, you know. Alright, so that's all it. I just had to like drain this a little bit more right there, and if it's done, I put that back on, and boom, done. So again, that's all we got to do today. You know, it's a quick oil change for my 2019 Honda Pilot. Alright, so guys, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Again, this is Sam's Vlogs. As I said, God bless you, God bless us all, and if I can do it, you can do it too. Bye bye.